In this video, we'll look at how to use pitch and formant to change the sound of your voice or instrument. The pitch slider simply adjusts the pitch of your voice. If you slide it up, it'll move the pitch an octave higher, and if you slide it down, it'll move the pitch one octave lower. Let me show you what that sounds like. The formant slider allows you to alter the tonal quality of your voice or instrument without changing the pitch. If you slide it up, it'll give you a brighter, more nasal tone, and if you slide it down, it'll give you a deeper, more resonant tone. Let me show you what that sounds like now. I'll show you how you can use both pitch and formant to create different sounds.